So my family decided to go vegan, to go oil-free, and to go sugar-free. And I have been cooking dinner for the whole family during quarantine. Cooking oil-free is difficult and we're just eating like a ton of vegetables and tofu and stuff. It limits what I can make creatively, but let's see what's in the fridge and see what we can whip together. I found a ton of veggies and also tofu and quinoa. So we're gonna make a Asian style vegetable tofu stir fry with quinoa. Step 1, chop everything. I legit cannot chop onions without bawling. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. It's better. Okay, veggies and tofu is chopped. The quinoa is cooking. The pan's heating up. We can't use oil, so we have these tiny amounts of water at a time. Starting with onions. Okay, all of the veggies are in the pan and the quinoa is almost done, so I lowered the heat on both of them while I prepare the sauce. I don't really have a plan. I just grabbed liquid aminos because I'm low on soy sauce, maple syrup for sweetener, sriracha, chili paste, and then basic seasonings, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and I'm gonna just mix them in the bowl and taste to test. Sauce is done. Gonna add it over the veggies. I'm gonna let it simmer and then I'm gonna toss the tofu in. So I'm gonna add just the heat. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. Just needs to heat up a little bit more, then it's ready. Dinner's ready. Eat up and enjoy.
So Brian, we're gonna leave her tomorrow. She's gotta be there at 8:30, so we'll probably leave about 7:45.
8 to 11 or something.
This is really good.
No, we probably 8 to.
Hot.
We're saying like 4 or 5 hours, I think.
8 to 2 or something.
Yeah, something like that. Probably later.